15 Signs and symptoms of vitamin C deficiency. Vitamin C is an essential nutrient that must be consumed regularly to prevent deficiency. While deficiency is relatively rare in developed countries due to the availability of fresh produce and the addition of vitamin C to certain foods and supplements, it still affects roughly 7% of adults in the US. The most common risk factors for vitamin C deficiency are poor diet, alcoholism, anorexia, severe mental illness, smoking, and dialysis. While symptoms of severe vitamin C deficiency can take months to develop, there are some subtle signs to watch out for. Here are the 15 most common signs and symptoms of vitamin C deficiency. 1. Rough, bumpy skin. Vitamin C deficiency can cause the formation of small acne-like bumps on the arms, thighs or buttocks. However, these bumps alone are not enough to diagnose a deficiency. 2. Corkscrew-shaped body hair. Abnormally bent, coiled or corkscrew-shaped body hairs are a hallmark sign of vitamin C deficiency, but they may be difficult to detect, as these hairs are more likely to fall out. 3. Bright red hair follicles. Hair follicles contain many tiny blood vessels that can rupture due to a vitamin C deficiency, causing bright red spots to appear around the follicles. 4. Spoon-shaped fingernails with red spots or lines. Vitamin C deficiency is associated with spoon-shaped fingernails and red lines or spots underneath the nail bed. 5. Dry, damaged skin. Low intakes of vitamin C are associated with dry, sun-damaged skin, but these symptoms can also be caused by other factors. 6. Easy bruising. Vitamin C deficiency weakens blood vessels, causing easy bruising. It's often one of the first obvious signs of vitamin C deficiency. 7. Slowly healing wounds. Vitamin C deficiency interferes with tissue formation, causing wounds to heal more slowly. This is considered an advanced sign of deficiency, so other signs and symptoms would likely appear first. 8. Painful, swollen joints. Vitamin C deficiency often causes severe joint pain. In severe cases, bleeding can occur within the joints, causing painful swelling. 9. Weak bones. Vitamin C is important for bone formation, and deficiency can increase the risk of developing weak and brittle bones. 10. Bleeding gums and tooth loss. Red, bleeding gums are a common sign of vitamin C deficiency, and severe deficiency can even lead to tooth loss. 11. Poor immunity. Vitamin C is an important nutrient for the immune system. Low vitamin C levels are linked to an increased risk of infection, while severe deficiency can cause death from infectious diseases. 12. Persistent iron deficiency anemia. Vitamin C deficiency may increase the risk of iron deficiency anemia by reducing iron absorption and increasing the likelihood of bleeding. 13. Fatigue and poor mood. Signs of fatigue and poor mood can appear even with low to normal levels of vitamin C, but they quickly turn around with adequate vitamin C intake. 14. Unexplained weight gain. Low vitamin C intake has been linked to increased body fat in humans, but other factors may be involved, such as diet quality. 15. Chronic inflammation and oxidative stress. Regular consumption of antioxidants like vitamin C is associated with health benefits, while low intakes may increase inflammation and oxidative stress. The best food sources of vitamin C. Fresh fruits and vegetables are excellent sources of vitamin C and should prevent deficiency when consumed on a daily basis. Supplementing with vitamin C is not toxic but may cause unpleasant side effects at high doses. Vitamin C deficiency is relatively rare in developed countries but still affects more than 1 in 20 people. Since humans cannot make vitamin C or store it in large amounts, it must be consumed regularly to prevent deficiency, ideally through fresh fruits and vegetables. There are many signs and symptoms of deficiency, most of which are related to impairments in collagen production or not consuming enough antioxidants. Some of the earliest signs of deficiency include fatigue, red gums, easy bruising and bleeding, joint pain, and rough, bumpy skin. As the deficiency progresses, bones may become brittle, nail and hair deformities can develop, wounds may take longer to heal and the immune system suffers. Inflammation, iron deficiency, anemia, and unexplained weight gain may be other signs to watch for. Thankfully, deficiency symptoms are usually resolved once vitamin C levels are restored.